Hello everyone and welcome back. As you guys know, I just got back from Louisiana yesterday afternoon. Went out and started the tractor later in the afternoon and it just fired right off yesterday, and it hadn't been run for at least 6 weeks, so that was pretty good. Right now Melissa's in there, she's starting. We're gonna have breakfast for lunch because I haven't had that in a very long time. And I'm gonna fire up the tractor. I wanna push, we had people come out here and plow the snow. And it cleared it good enough, you know, for her to get in and out and everything, but I want to push some of the snow farther out. This winter compared to last winter and the winter before, this is very mild. I don't think there's more than 6 or 8 inches of snow on the ground right now. But I do want to push the snow around the way I like it, so that, I mean, it's inevitable that sometime this winter we're going to get a big snowfall. And when that happens, I like to have my spots like here where I can take and push the snow all the way back. Melissa had trouble with the grizzly starting when I was gone. I mean, it's been pretty cold. I mean, not super cold, but cold for the grizzly. And so when I got back here last night, I came out here and it turned over a couple times, and then you would just get like there's not enough battery power to start it. So I put a battery charger on it, and then immediately it went up to say it was full. And you know, you'd have like 30 to 45 seconds and it would say it was full. So then I put it on there, took it off, put it back on, and then while I'm going through that 30 seconds, I started it and it ran, and then I got it to keep running. But I think what I'm going to do is get a brand new battery for this, because I went out to the workshop and went in the back, tried to start George's old four-wheeler, same thing. It just, the battery would not, there wasn't enough to turn over the motor. Jumped on my dad's four-wheeler, fired right off. So I think I'm gonna get a new battery for this one, and I might get one of those battery blankets. They make them for these four-wheelers, because just keeping that battery warm, that's all we'd really need. Just plug it in the night before and it would fire right off. But yesterday when I got here, it was like 25, 26 degrees. Now it's down to, what was it, 18 or 19 right now? That's what you get, just not enough battery. I really wish that this one had a choke on it like my dad's. I don't like the electronic fuel thing. I mean, it just feels so much more comfortable when I have a choke on there. I definitely want to let that tractor run for 10 minutes before I start to run those hydraulics. Well, I got my truck running so I can move that once it warms up. Melissa has lunch just about finished, so I'm going to go inside and eat. I'd bring my camera in to show you that, but when it's this cold, when I bring the camera in, it takes about 20 minutes before the lens will stop fogging up. everybody. I'm just heading into town to get a new battery for the four-wheeler. I took the old one out this morning and I want to get that switched out so that four-wheeler will start whenever I need it. Well, I stopped and got the new battery, stopped at the bank, stopped at Home Depot, and then I was heading back, and Melissa's at work, and I was talking to her, and I decided I'm going to shoot down to where she works, and her and I are going to find somewhere to have lunch together today. Well, I got the new battery put in here. Hopefully this will allow him to, the four-wheeler to start right up. I thought about getting a battery blanket to put around here, but these things fit so tight down in there that I don't really think that you could put one on there very easily. I don't think it's ever started that fast, so hopefully it'll keep doing that. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. This morning I'm running down to the hobby farmhouse. I'm going to meet my dad there in the workshop. He's been working on a desk and I have not seen him for probably 2 months. So I want to take a look at that and do a video on that for the winter workshop projects. I might pick up all my ice fishing stuff when I'm down there also. Bring that back up to the farmhouse. Lots of people out fishing on the lakes now. I will see you guys on the next video.